watch the darkness between the trees, the places where light barely reaches, the shadows that never seem to move, because in those shadows, something exists, not easily seen, not easily understood, a presence that feels more like a mystery than an animal. This is the story of the Black Panther, the shadow predator. First, there is something important to understand. The Black Panther is not a separate species. It is actually a leopard, or sometimes a jaguar, with a rare genetic condition called melanism. This condition causes the fur to appear completely black, but if you look closely, under the right light, you can still see the patterns, the rosettes hidden beneath the darkness. This makes the Black Panther not just rare, but almost invisible. Black panthers are found in different parts of the world. In Asia and Africa, they are usually black leopards. In the Americas, they are black jaguars. They live in dense forests, jungles, and areas where thick vegetation creates deep shadows. Because for them, darkness is not a disadvantage, it is an advantage. Their black coat allows them to blend perfectly into the night, to disappear completely. This is what makes them one of the most mysterious predators in the wild. Black panthers are solitary. They live alone. They hunt alone. They survive alone. They move silently through their territory, marking it with scent, protecting it from intruders. Every step carefully placed, every movement controlled, because their power comes from not being seen. They are mostly active at night. When darkness covers the land, they come alive. Their eyes adjust to low light. Their senses sharpen. Their presence becomes almost impossible to detect. They watch from the shadows, waiting. Their prey can be anything from deer to monkeys to wild pigs. Depending on where they live, they choose carefully. They observe. They wait for the perfect moment. Then they move. Silent, fast, deadly. A sudden attack, a powerful leap, and the prey is taken down before it even understands what happened. This is not just hunting. This is perfection in stealth. Black panthers are also incredible climbers. They move through trees with ease, resting on branches, watching from above. Sometimes they even drag their prey into trees to protect it from other predators. In the shadows of the forest, they are unmatched. But despite their power, their life is not easy. They face the same challenges as other big cats. Loss of habitat, human expansion, reduction in prey. And because they are rare, they are even harder to protect. Many people may never see a black panther in the wild. Even researchers struggle to capture clear images of them because they are so good at staying hidden. This mystery is part of what makes them so fascinating. A female black panther raises her cubs alone. She finds a safe, hidden place and gives birth, usually to 2 or 3 cubs. They are born small, blind, and completely dependent. Their dark fur begins to develop as they grow. First, they stay hidden, protected by their mother, kept away from danger. As they grow, they begin to explore. They play, they climb, they learn. Their mother teaches them how to hunt, how to move silently, how to stay hidden. Because in their world, being seen can mean losing everything. They must become shadows. Over time, they develop the skills needed to survive, until one day, they leave to live alone. A black panther's life in the wild can last around 12 to 15 years. In that time, it becomes a master of invisibility, a predator that does not need strength alone, but relies on intelligence, timing, and darkness. But perhaps the most powerful thing about the black panther is not just what it is, but what it represents. It represents mystery. A reminder that even in a world where we think we have seen everything, there are still things hidden. Still things we do not fully understand. Creatures that move beyond our sight, living their lives in silence, in shadow, in perfect balance with their environment. So the next time you look into a dark forest and feel like something is there, you might not be wrong, because somewhere, hidden between the trees, a black panther could be watching, unseen, unheard, a true shadow predator. If you enjoyed this story, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more powerful wildlife stories. And tell me, which animal should we explore next? I'll see you in the next story.